see the LED has start blinking. You can see from the layer on the GPS module there is a red LED blinking, and in the meanwhile you can see on the screen we can have the readings of this GPS coordinate. These are the latitude and longitude coming after every 30 seconds with date and time. And the LED is blinking means that we have got around 6 satellite to got the connection. With the LED you can see the bulb is also blinking after every 30 seconds, means it is successfully fetching the readings. Now we are successful, and you can see this USB port is connected with the laptop, and you can see all the readings here. So we are successful in getting the readings. Now we don't need this USB port, we can use it through any power source, and all the readings we are getting here are fetched inside our SD card reader or SD card module. This is the SD card module, and all the readings are saved inside this SD card. Now if it is working perfectly, we will plug this out, and now we can use this GPS anywhere. We will connect it with the power bank or any power source. It will start working, and all the data would be saved directly inside this SD card. No need to do any program. The program is now saved in this chip. Fetching some of the readings, we need to check if everything works perfectly and we got the Excel file in this card or not. So we will push it with the help of our nail, and the SD card comes out. The next step is to put this SD card inside the card reader, and we will check it inside the computer that we have got the readings or not. So now we will take this SD card and put this SD card inside our computer, and now we will see the laptop screen that whether the Excel file has been generated or not. We will open the SD card and check for the readings. So I am going to this PC option, and you can find here is the SD card, and I will click on the SD card button. You can find there is a GPS log available, and we will check whether we got all the readings or not. So you can see I have got all the readings of latitudes, longitudes, date and time. So all the readings are perfectly fetched. You can find that I have taken around many readings. Now it's time to move outside to check whether these readings helps us to plot on the map or not. So now we will take the hardware and we will move outside for a trip. Thank you.